Let's take a look at the chart action for Cake. This is a token on the Binance Smart Chain. They use it on PancakeSwap. I got some over the weekend, and what I did is I put some in farms with some BNB and for liquidity, getting 46 APR, and then if you go to the pools, I put some in there too and put some in staking, and this is getting 72%. So let's get into the chart action or the technical analysis. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at on Cake. It kind of looks like a bull flag. We got resistance, 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 and then we have support, support. Let's draw some trend lines. We got that top trend line, something like this. I would say something like that. That's what I was watching. And then we have this bottom support line, maybe something like that. We could drag it out, something like that. And then, so we have this big run up, and then we have some consolidation, or we have like a retracement. The main thing I was watching is this downtrend right here, and it looks like we broke that. What I'd be watching now are the previous resistance levels. These kind of zones, something like that. I think if we could break this level right here, out of this zone right here, then we could be trading maybe in this zone, or hopefully we could get up in here, maybe trade sideways a little bit and then pop up to the next one and come up to this level right here. Like I said, it looks kind of like a flag pattern, so I was also targeting from the top to the bottom of this flag, maybe something like that. You could kind of straighten it out, drag that to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of approximately 34.23. The only thing though is, like I said, we have these resistance levels to deal with first, and in general what I want to do is kind of do like a box, and until we break this highest high right here and break out of this box, get a higher high, then I am still like slightly skeptical. Or what I should say is that once we break out of the box, then we could get more confident on that bull flag target, sitting at approximately 34.19. And also, I think if we could break out of this resistance zone over here, I mean, we have resistance right here and a little bit of resistance right here and maybe some right here, but it doesn't look like there's too much in this area. What I'm thinking is maybe if we could just break out of this zone, or this zone, should I say, maybe we could just kind of shoot up to this top over here, which is around 42.67, depending if we can keep that momentum going. If we zoom in, we have support, support, support. Let's do another uptrend going to the upside, something like this. We could kind of watch, maybe we could watch this uptrend until we break this uptrend going to the downside. Then we can kind of be bullish, and maybe we can kind of assume that we're going to be breaking out of these zones here, or breaking into the next zones, should I say. The next one's sitting at 22.67 and 26.18, so let's see if we could get up to those. In general, let's see if we could break this level right here at 20.44 as well. You could also argue we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance in general, all in this area right here. So let's do a trend line going to the sideways like that. Kind of looks like we're in a channel pattern waiting to break to the upside. I think if we could break this zone, I've been saying it, if we break this line right here, then I think maybe that's when we can see a nice price movement going to the upside. It does look like there's a resistance zone and a uptrend though. Let's see if we could break to the upside or to the downside. I do like the way this pattern is looking, so I'm assuming the upside, but well, I guess we'll have to wait and see. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going to the upside and hit that target of approximately 34. Let me know if you guys like Cake or if you guys use PancakeSwap. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.